In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Android or Apple iOS Zoom app. So as you can see, you just need to go to the Play Store or App Store and type in Zoom, and it is the first one that comes up here. So once you have typed that in, downloaded it as I have here, that's what it looks like, then launch it, and you will be given three options. The options are to sign up or sign in or join a meeting. And you don't need the bottom two. They are if you want to host a meeting for up to 45 minutes for free, which you can do, but we're going to click join meeting. It will then ask for a meeting ID, which is a code, so all numbers. So just type in your meeting ID. However, you might not have a meeting ID. You might have a link. If you have a link on Facebook, WhatsApp, email, just click on that link and it will do this part for you. Underneath the link, you can see it says my name, so make that meaningful for yourself and for the people in the meeting. There we go. And underneath that, you've got a couple of options, so you can fiddle around with those so that when you join the meeting, it's set to how you want. It's very likely that the meeting will decide on that to start with, so you'll have to, it might be different on each one, or more likely it's just off. We'll have to check and see. So once you've done that and you've got it how you want, you press join. So I'm going to leave my audio on and my video on by doing that, and press join. Now I've muted the actual video and I'm just doing a voiceover here, so I don't get feedback when it comes on, because I'm the person in the video is me. So as you can see, you'll be asked a few questions like this, so just simply agree to that, press I agree. And it'll ask a few other things like accessing the camera, sound and things, so just allow anything it's asking for. It won't be able to work properly, and there I am. And you can see it's not lip syncing because that video had to be muted, because you can see here all the feedback, so I'm just doing this over the top. More things to allow. Once you've done all that the first time, it won't ask you again. Now at that point it might get you straight in the meeting room, or it might, as this one has, ask you to go into a waiting area. Once the host has allowed you in, it might well ask you this the first time or all the time. So once I've clicked call using internet audio, which is how it works, so you can do it through the internet, which is what you want, then you're in, and you can see I've got two screens. The one down the bottom corner is the one you see of yourself, and the main one, that's the one, that's the main host. I've got a lot of mess in this room. Worst room to show you in my house. So there you go. Once you move your hand and tap it over the screen, you'll get a few different options. You can start or stop the video, as it says there in the top corner, and that means that the bottom little screen, your screen, won't be seen by everybody else. If you press participants, you can see all the different people there, me and me. And there's also a little chat room there, so if there's any problems with sound or audio for yourself, I suggest you head to the chat room and hope that somebody else has clicked it and will be able to help you. Under more there, you can see there's some more options, but they're less important. And that's pretty much what you can do, because you've joined the meeting rather than led meeting on an iOS device or an Android device. As you can see, I've now left the meeting, and that is all there is to Zoom. One thing worth mentioning is when somebody starts speaking, the picture on the screen will automatically change to them, so it's quite a useful feature. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy your meeting.